The Bangle Seller. Let's read.
Hello students, before we read this lesson, let us pay attention to one important thing in this lesson. Here is a story about a little girl of the same age as you. That means this girl may be about 9 or 10 years. Read it to find out how she lost her new doll and how she got it back. This is very important. She tells the story herself. That means whatever you are going to read in this story is being told by this girl. Okay, so let's move on to the reading part.
I was playing with my doll when I heard a voice sing.
This girl was playing with her doll when she heard a voice sing. That does not mean that somebody was singing. She heard a kind of voice which sounded like that person was singing.
Bangles, bangles, little girls, come and see. I've brought bangles for you.
Now you already heard how it sounds like singing, and you must have already understood who this person will be. It was a bangle seller who had brought bangles and was asking the little girls to come and look at it.
I ran to the window and saw a bangle seller with a basket on his head. He saw me and said,
Come, little girl, come and buy some bangles.
Okay, this part is very easy. When the little girl heard this sound, she ran to the window and she saw a bangle seller who was calling all the little girls to buy bangles, and he even called this little girl.
I'd like to buy some, I replied, but I can't because my mother is not at home. Who will give me money?
Now this is also very easy to understand. Since the mother of this girl was not at home, she was worried who is going to pay the money for the bangles, but still she wanted to buy some bangles.
Come and choose something you like. I'll take the money some other day.
Now the bangle seller tells this little girl that she could choose whatever she likes and he'll be taking the money some other day.
I thought for a while and went down. The bangle seller asked with a pleasant smile,
Child, which color do you like the best?
Okay, so far it is very easy to understand. When the girl goes to the bangle seller, he asks the child which color she likes, which is her favorite color.
Orange, said I, and selected some. The bangle seller helped me wear them. By then my mother arrived, and so she paid for the bangles.
Now this girl's favorite color is what? Orange. And she asked the bangle seller for orange bangles. And when the bangle seller was helping her to wear the bangles, at that very moment her mother arrived and her mother paid for the bangles.
After a few days, my uncle brought a beautiful doll for me. I was thrilled. I told my mother, Mummy, I want to buy bangles for my doll also.
Now after this happened, after a few days, the uncle of the girl brought a beautiful doll for her and she was very excited. The meaning of thrilled means very excited. And she told her mother that she wanted to buy bangles for the doll also.
My mother said,
Yes, darling, you can buy some. Let the bangle seller come.
Okay, till here it is very easy to understand. Her mother agreed and she said, let's wait for the bangle seller.
The next day, I heard the familiar song again.
Bangles, bangles, girls, come and buy my bangles.
Okay, I had already told you the meaning of the word familiar earlier. Familiar means jana mana, like we already know that sound And this little girl also heard this sound earlier, and when she heard this sound again, she remembered that I had heard this sound. It was the voice of the bangle seller who was singing the same thing. Bangles, bangles, girls, come and buy my bangles.
I rushed down with my doll and called the bangle seller. He came with his basket.
Which one do you want?
He asked. Give me some nice bangles for my doll, I said, showing him my doll.
Now this was the second time that the bangle seller came to the house of this little girl, but this time she did not want bangles for herself, but she wanted to buy bangles for her doll that her uncle had given to her.
He chose red bangles for my doll. Then he looked at the doll and said,
You've got a very beautiful doll.
Yes, it is.
He chose red bangles for my doll. That means the bangle seller chose red color bangles for this doll. You can see the doll in the girl's hands, right? Then he looked at the doll and said, You've got a very beautiful doll. This man is talking to this girl and saying that this is a beautiful doll.
My daughter would also love to have such a pretty doll.
Oh, you have a daughter?
Yes, almost your age.
Now looking at the doll of the girl, the bangle seller tells her that he has a daughter who would love to have a beautiful doll like this. And the girl is also surprised because she did not know that this man would be having a daughter. And from here we come to know that the daughter of the bangle seller is also about 9 or 10 years old.
Doesn't she have any dolls?
No.
Don't worry, I'll ask Uncle to buy a doll for her. How much do I have to pay for the bangles?
Okay, so here we see that the little girl is so kind towards the bangle seller. Now how do we come to know she is kind? Because she feels sad for the daughter of the bangle seller, because his daughter does not have a doll, and she says that she will ask her uncle to get another doll for her as well. And then she asks the bangle seller how much he has to pay for the bangles.
10 rupees.
Please look after my doll. I will bring the money.
Now since the girl does not have money with her, she leaves the doll over there and she goes inside to ask money from her mother. And she tells the man, please look after my doll. That means please take care of the doll till I come back.
I rushed to get the money from my mother. But when I came back, the bangle seller had disappeared with my doll.
Now on returning with the money, she was very sad to see that her doll and the bangle seller both had disappeared. That means the bangle seller had taken the doll along with him.
My doll! Oh, my doll! I screamed and ran to my mother.
Now what has happened over here? This girl, looking at the situation, looking at what happened, she screamed and she ran to her mother. And what did she say? My doll, oh my doll. Because she was shocked that how did the bangle seller take away the doll without asking her.
Mummy, the bangle seller has taken my doll away. My new doll.
The bangle seller?
Why did you give it to him? She said, and rushed out to look for the bangle seller.
Now after this girl goes inside and she tells her mother whatever happened, her mother asks her, why did she give it to him? And then even the mother was shocked and she rushed out. Rushed out means she came out quickly to look out for the bangle seller.
Tears rolled down my cheeks.
Tears rolled down my cheeks means what? This little girl started to cry.
My mother consoled me and warned our neighbors to be careful.
My mother consoled me. I already told you the meaning of console earlier. Now because this girl was crying, her mother tried to make her quiet and tried to stop her from crying. And then she warned the neighbors. I already told you the meaning of warned. She went and told the neighbors that be careful. There is a bangle seller who is stealing things.
That night, I sobbed myself to sleep.
Now because this girl was so sad, she was sobbing that night and she was unable to sleep, but anyhow she tried and she slept that night.
I woke up early the next morning. As I sat beside the window, I noticed a man walking towards our house. With him was a little girl.
Now at night this girl was crying and she went to sleep in that same condition. So she woke up early the next morning and she was sitting beside the window when she notices a man who was walking towards her house. And who was with the man? A little girl.
The man stopped. He said something to the girl and handed over a packet to her. Packet in hand, the girl tiptoed towards our gate.
The man stopped means what? The bangle seller waited over there and he told something to the girl and gave her a packet. And what did the little girl do? She tiptoed. I already showed you what tiptoed is. She ran on her toes towards the house of the little girl who is narrating the story to us.
Hurriedly, I went downstairs and asked the girl, "Who are you? What do you want?"
Hurriedly means what? In haste or fast. Hurriedly, this girl went downstairs and asked that girl, "Who are you and what do you want?"
The girl quietly opened the packet and there was my doll.
Now from here we already come to know who this little girl was. Because she was having the doll, it means that she was the daughter of the bangle seller.
"Oh, it's my doll. Where did you find it?" She spoke as if she had not heard me. "Take your doll back. The man standing over there is my father, the bangle seller."
Over here the little girl asked the daughter of the bangle seller from where she got the doll. And then she returned the doll to the little girl and said that the man who was standing there was her father. That means the bangle seller was her father.
I was surprised when he brought me such an expensive doll.
Who was surprised? The daughter of the bangle seller. Now why she was surprised? Because they were poor and they could not afford such an expensive doll.
I couldn't say a thing. Soon the bangle seller stepped forward and said in a low voice,
I couldn't say a thing. That means, sometimes we are in such situations that we can't understand what is happening and then we can't even say anything. So this girl was in such a situation, she could not say anything. And soon after that, the bangle seller stepped forward and he told the little child,
Child, please take back your doll. I took it for my daughter, Lata.
Okay, so you must have heard how this man is speaking now in a low voice. Child, please take back your doll. I took it for my daughter, Lata. From here we come to know that the name of the daughter of the bangle seller was Lata.
She refused to accept it when she heard I had stolen it.
Now because she was a small girl, even she was shocked that how could her father steal something.
I grabbed the doll and clasped it in my arms.
Grabbed the doll means छीन लिया. She took away the doll from Lata and she clasped it in her arms. That means she caught it tightly in her hands.
Thank you, Lata. I'll always remember you.
Now because the little girl was happy, she thanked Lata and she said that she would always remember her because she brought back the doll and gave it to her.
My mother came hurrying down. When she heard the story, she said,
Here's some money, bangle seller. Buy a doll for your daughter.
Now as we saw in the first part of the story, even the little girl was very kind towards the bangle seller, and even she wanted that Lata would have a doll. Now in this part we see that even the mother is kind-hearted, because when she saw what was happening, she came and told the bangle seller that I am giving you some money, even you buy a doll for your daughter. That means Lata.
As they went out of the gate, Lata turned back and smiled. I waved to her and she waved back.
As they went out of the gate, now who is they? They means Lata and the bangle seller, the daughter and the father. As they went out of the gate, Lata turned back and smiled. Now why did Lata smile? Because she came to return the doll which her father had stolen, and in return what did she get? She got some money so that she could buy a doll for herself. I waved to her. Now who is I? Let us try to remember once again. In the starting of the story I had already told you that this story is being narrated by the little girl. So I means the little girl. I waved to her. What do you mean by waved? When we say bye to someone, how we shake our hands? We move our hands left to right. That is called wave. I waved to her and she waved back. When the little girl waved her hand and told bye to Lata, even Lata did the same to her, because she was very happy that she got a good reward from the little girl's mother. So the moral of the story is, you should always be honest. You should never do anything wrong, or you should never say lies. Always be honest. Okay, so that was the story. It was very simple. And once again I'm telling you, if you did not understand anything, you can go back to that part in the video and watch it. Thank you, students.